up guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dominique Takira, and today I'm doing just like a quick little video telling you guys that I am going to try my hardest to do Vlogmas, and we're going to see how it turns out. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully this video is good. First of all, I don't even know if I'm focused right now. And yeah, so every day of December I will be trying my hardest to post a video. But the type of content I plan on putting out is like makeup hauls, hair tutorials, reviews on hair products. I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff. So if you want to stick around and see what exactly I'm posting, make sure y'all had a notification bell turned on. Make sure you are subscribed. And we're going to get this popping. Alright? See y'all on day 2 of Vlogmas. Bye.